Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of MEXC trade, where opportunities in cryptocurrency abound. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, MEXC offers a comprehensive platform designed to meet your trading needs. MEXC is renowned for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrency pairs. With its advanced trading tools and features, users can easily execute trades, analyze market trends, and manage their portfolios effectively. One of the key benefits of trading on MEXC is its commitment to security. With robust measures in place, users can confidently trade and hold their assets without the worry of potential threats. Now, let's talk about how you can enhance your trading experience even further. By using our special referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up, you unlock exclusive benefits that will give you a head start in your trading journey. Not only will you gain access to a rewarding trading environment, but you'll also receive additional bonuses that can boost your trading capital, making it easier for you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies. Imagine having the ability to explore a diverse range of altcoins and trading pairs while taking advantage of the low trading fees MEXC offers. With your referral code 12K4M5, you'll not only join a community of successful traders, but also gain access to educational resources and market insights that can elevate your trading game. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your trading to new heights, MEXC Trade is the platform to be on. Don't miss out on the opportunity to use referral code 12K4M5 to unlock exclusive benefits that can enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching this video on Crypto Horizon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more informative content. Happy trading!